Hey guys, it's your girl Marie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this unit from Luvme Hair. I'm going to turn this unit into this. So if you guys want to see how I did this very beginner friendly install, then please stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you guys already know, today's hair is from Luvme Hair. This packaging is so cute, all purple. I love it. Now let's see what's in the box, guys. This is the hair, guys. I'm gonna get into that very soon. There's a really nice note from the founder of Luvme Hair, some hair care instructions to let you know how to take care of your hair, a nice white tooth comb, a nice goodie bag, guys, and in that goodie bag they've got a nice crunchy or hair bubble. They've also got some really nice purple nails so you don't have to go out and get your nails done, some nice hoop earrings, guys, which I really love, and 2 pairs of 3D lashes. So guys, you don't have to go out, get your nails done or your lashes. They've got all of that covered when you buy this wig. And guys, this I think is a key ring. I really don't know, guys. Let me know what this is. So guys, now onto the wig. This wig is in a style loose water wave, as you can all see. And guys, just check out this hairline. Check it out. They've pre-plucked it for you so you don't have to do anything, and also they've bleached the knots for you so it looks really natural. Guys, just check this out. All you gotta do is to stick this wig on and go, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that, so please stay tuned. This is 13x4 undetectable invisible real HD lace, and guys, just check out how well this melts on my skin. Do you guys see this? What lace, guys. I mean, what lace. No effort at all, and it's melting so well. So imagine what it looks like when it's on, y'all. I can't wait to show you guys this, so please keep on watching. And guys, as you can all see, they've done everything to make this wig secure, so it's not gonna go anywhere. They've got a headband in there, all the usual clips, so that it stays really secure. And as you can all see, they've got 2 combs on each side of the wig, one right in the middle and a big comb at the back. So guys, this wig is gonna stay on really well. And I've also run my fingers through this wig, guys, and there's absolutely no shedding at all. And I'm gonna show you all how to define the curls very soon. So guys, this is how the wig is looking straight out of the box. And as you guys can see, like, I've done absolutely nothing to this wig. I just took it out of the box and this is how it's looking. The company has done everything for you, so this is really good. And guys, look at the lace. It really looks like there's no lace there at all. It blends in so well with my skin. So guys, now it's time to install the wig, but before doing so, I'm making a quick wig cap. I'm using my Got To Be Free spray, which is very cold, y'all, and spraying that on my wig cap, and I'm gonna make some holes around the ears so my ears are free. After my wig cap has dried, I'm gonna use some foundation or powder, and I'm gonna put that all over my wig cap until I'm happy with the color. I'm doing that so the wig cap matches my skin tone even more. But if you find out the wig cap matches your skin, then you don't really have to do that, but in my case it doesn't, so I have to do this. After applying foundation, I'm really happy with the color, guys. Now I'm just cutting the wig cap the way I want it to be, basically around my hairline, so I'm protecting my hair and my edges as well. As you guys can see, I'm spraying more got to be on the front part of my wig cap so that it lays flat. After cutting it, sometimes it lifts, so I want to make sure that that part is super flat, so when I stick my wig on, it sticks on really well. So guys, after making the wig cap, which was very simple and easy to do, as you guys saw, it's now time to put the wig on and customize it to the shape of my face. So as you guys are seeing right now, I'm cutting the side of the wig. The wig fits on really well, but just the lace is a little large, so I have to cut it so that it fits my face really well. This part is really hard to explain, guys, but I just hope you guys watch it and just sort of copy. If you're maybe watching this to learn, just copy what I'm doing, but I'm basically cutting it so it fits my face. So after cutting the sides, I'm just taking this wig on now. I'm only using got to be, like I told you guys earlier, and that's all. I'm just spraying the got to be on my wig cap once again. I'm gonna use my dryer to dry that for a few minutes, but you don't want it to be completely dry, otherwise the wig is not gonna stick. After it's just a little bit dry, you want it to be sticky, so you just put the wig on and it's gonna stick. And I'm doing all this before I cut the lace off. After cutting the lace, I'm using my got to be once again to stick the front part of my wig on. And like I told you guys, all you need is got to be. If you want, you can use glue, but got to be is great for your edges. It's not gonna pull them, and it's gonna make sure that your wig is also secured, just like glue. And guys, just like you guys are seeing, I'm using my comb to press down my wig while I'm drying it, so this is gonna ensure that it sticks on really well and it sticks on properly as well, and all the hair is not gonna get caught in the glue. And guys, a lot of people say got to be glued. It's not actually glue. I see a lot of people use got to be glue to stick their wig on and they say it's glueless, but in my opinion, I still feel like it's glue, guys. If it's able to stick your wig on, it's still glue. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comment box, okay? But guys, as you guys can see, my wig is stuck on, and now it's time to go ahead and customize it. First of all, I'm gonna start by defining the curls. As you guys can see, all I'm doing is adding water to it, nothing else. I'm running my fingers through the wig to make sure the curls are defined, and I'm also using a wide tooth comb to make sure that it's detangled as I go. And as you guys can see, one side I've added some water to it. It just needs to dry, and on the other side I haven't touched it at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. To make sure that my parting is flat, I'm using my hot comb just to go over it. And I'm also going to create some baby hairs, guys. You don't have to do this, but I personally like having baby hairs on my wig, so I decided to create some. Guys, to lay my edges, I'm using my red one hair wax, which you can find on Amazon. This is really good. It lays your edges with literally no effort and it stays on all day long. So I decided to lay my edges for a few minutes and then come back after putting on some makeup. And here I am, guys. That is it. Basically, that's all you need to do on the wig, guys. Didn't do anything else. The curls are not fully dried yet, as you guys can see. And guys, even though it's not fully dried yet, the hair is looking really full, as you guys can see. The curls are not fully defined yet because, as I told you, it's not dry. And I forgot to mention, guys, that this is 22 inches long and it looks really good for its length. Even though it's a curly wig as well, it looks really good. And guys, check out this lace, undetectable invisible lace, and check out how stuck on this wig is, y'all. All I did was use Got To Be, nothing else. And guys, just take a look at this scalp, guys. It's giving scalp. It looks like it's growing out of my head, guys. It looks amazing. I mean, what lace, y'all? What lace? It looks so good. I'm so happy with it. And guys, you can also do some really cute styles with this if you want. As you guys can see, I'm showing you guys a quick half up and half done style, which I really like. If you guys want me to show you all how you can style your wig, then please put it in the comment box. I'll be really happy to do that because I've got some great ideas, okay? So if you want to see that video, please let me know. And guys, this is the next day. Okay, I let the wig dry and this is the next day, and you can see the curls are way more defined. It's looking so much better. I did a little more makeup, which is looking way better. Guys, I'm just happy with this wig in general. It looks great. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. Okay, leave your thoughts down there. Guys, this wig is so natural. I really love it. The lace is completely invisible and undetectable. It's very true to the name, guys. Look at my baby hairs. Baby hairs look really nice with curly wigs, in my opinion, guys. Luvme Hair did a great job. Really happy. With my code MarieR, you can get yourself some money off. I will leave the link to this wig in the description box, guys. Guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, leave it down below in the comment box. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, and y'all, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.